Hey guys, Chubby Butcher here. Today we're going to the next level in the chicken wing train of flavor. Sweet chili heat tortilla chips, double crunch chicken wings. I am pumped. We're going to use raised without antibiotic chicken wings. Let's go. Okay guys, to make these sweet chili heat double crunch chicken wings, you will need for the wet dip 10 dabs of hot sauce, three eggs, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm going to whisk this together. Now for the batter, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. And you're going to give this a good mix. Okay guys, for the sake of saving time, I've already ground our sweet chili heat tortilla chips into a fine dust. Okay guys, it's a pretty easy format. You're going to be taking your chicken wing out, put it into the wet, into the cornstarch and flour, back into the wet, into the sweet chili heat tortillas. You want to stay around 250 to 270 degrees Fahrenheit. If you go any hotter than that, you will burn the coating on the chicken wing. Okay guys, we're getting onto the 250 mark. We will start dropping these chicken wings in. Currently hovering at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. And as you can see, we're at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. These are perfect for taking off. Okay guys, we're going to do something a little different again today. We're going to put half cup of butter in and about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. We're going to do a shake on half of these wings. Okay guys, we're all cooked up here. On the right is sweet chili heat double crunch with hot sauce and butter. And on the left is sweet chili heat double crunch. Okay guys, we're all cooked up. On my right is double crunch sweet chili heat. On my left is sweet chili heat with hot sauce and butter. We're going to do the regular one first. That just gave me some goosebumps. That's how good it is and how crunchy it is. That's so good. Really, 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 really good. Now we'll try the one that has the hot sauce on it and with butter. This is the real deal. So good. So worth it. You gotta try this. If you guys like what you've seen today, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I upload every week. And you know what? Hit the bell. You'll be the first to get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.